Common Outlook. Troubleshooting solutions. Outlook issues are common. If you are a user that often runs into minor issues such as Outlook crashes, send-receive errors, and more, I have compiled a set of DIY Outlook troubleshooting solutions. Try out these methods to fix minor issues in a jiffy. Update Outlook. Go to File, click on Office Account. Select Update Options and click on Update Now. An outdated version can cause sync problems. Verify account settings. Go to File, click on Account Settings and select Account Settings. Select your account and click Repair to automatically fix configuration issues. Start Outlook in safe mode. Press Windows plus R, type in outlook.exe/safe and hit Enter. This disables add-ins to see if they're the culprit. Disable add-ins. In Outlook, go to File, click on Options and access the Add-ins tab. Select COM add-ins and click Go. Uncheck all add-ins, restart Outlook, and enable them one by one to identify the problematic one. Repair Outlook. Head to Settings, click on Apps, and select Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Office, click on Modify, and select Quick Repair. If that doesn't work, try Online Repair. If the issue persists, consider creating a new Outlook profile from the Mail settings in the control panel. And that was our list. If these tips helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech solutions, and drop your questions in the comments below. For more advanced issues, check our article on Outlook troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.